Who was Saint David? Saint David, or Duisan in Welsh, was a 6th century monk, preacher, and bishop who played a crucial role in spreading Christianity across Wales. He was known for his humble and simple lifestyle, eating only vegetables and drinking only water. One of his most famous miracles was said to have occurred while he was preaching and the ground beneath him rose up, forming a hill, so that everyone could see and hear him. Saint David founded monasteries, encouraged spiritual devotion, and emphasized kindness and compassion. He passed away on March 1st, 589 AD, and was later named the patron saint of Wales. His final words, "Do the little things," remain a cherished message to this day. The meaning behind St. David's Day. St. David's Day is more than just a historical remembrance. It's a celebration of Welsh identity, heritage, and culture. For centuries, the people of Wales have honored their patron saint by wearing daffodils or leeks, two symbols closely associated with Wales. The daffodil represents rebirth and resilience, while the leek is linked to a legendary battle where Welsh soldiers wore leeks to identify themselves. Today, St. David's Day is a time for national pride, filled with parades, concerts, and events that highlight the unique traditions of Wales. How Wales celebrates March 1st. St. David's Day is widely celebrated across Wales with festivals, parades, and performances. In Cardiff, the capital city, a grand parade features people dressed in traditional Welsh costumes, waving flags, and singing Welsh songs. Schools hold special events where children recite poems, perform dances, and sing in the Welsh language. Many people also visit St. David's Cathedral in Pembrokeshire, where the saint's remains are believed to be buried. In the evening, Welsh music, storytelling, and cultural performances take place, bringing communities together in celebration. Traditional Welsh food and symbols. Food plays a big role in St. David's Day celebrations. Some of the most popular Welsh dishes enjoyed on this day include cawl, a hearty stew made with lamb, leeks, and root vegetables. Welsh cakes, sweet, buttery griddle cakes dusted with sugar. Barabrith, a fruit loaf soaked in tea and packed with dried fruit. Glamorgan sausages, a vegetarian sausage made with cheese, leeks, and breadcrumbs. As for symbols, the red dragon, Wydre Goch, is proudly displayed on the Welsh flag, while daffodils and leeks are worn as national emblems. Some landmarks in Wales even light up in red, green, and white, the colors of the Welsh flag. Fun facts and global celebrations. St. David's Day is not a public holiday in Wales, though many have campaigned for it to be recognized as one. In the US and Canada, cities with large Welsh communities, like New York and Toronto, hold special St. David's Day gatherings. The smallest city in the UK, St. David's in Pembrokeshire, is named after the saint. Some people in Wales only eat vegetarian food on March 1st, following St. David's humble lifestyle. Whether you're in Wales or celebrating from afar, St. David's Day is a time to embrace Welsh culture, history, and traditions. So, wear your daffodils, enjoy some Welsh cakes, and remember the words of St. David, do the little things.